Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting in store for you. We're diving into the world of video creation using the phenomenal tool, Fliki. This entire video and all components were created only using Fliki. It's super easy and takes very little time. Picture this, turning your ideas into captivating visuals that leave your audience spellbound. And that's exactly what Fliki helps us achieve. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right in. Meet Fliki, your ultimate video making companion. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Fliki's intuitive interface makes video creation a breeze. A video is only as good as its story, right? With Fliki, you have the power to bring your narrative to life. Trim, merge and enhance your clips with a few clicks. But what's a video without stunning visuals? Fliki offers an array of effects that can transform your footage. From transitions that flow like magic to filters that set the mood, it's all at your fingertips. And let's not forget about audio. Fliki lets you add music, voiceovers, and sound effects to make your video a complete sensory experience. The best part? Fliki encourages creativity. Experiment with text overlays, stickers, and even animations to add that extra wow factor. Editing can be time-consuming, but not with Fliki. Its user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop functionality make the process a breeze. Once you're satisfied with your creation, Fliki offers seamless exporting options. Share your masterpiece on social media, your website, or wherever your audience hangs out. So, are you ready to make your mark in the world of video content? Fliki empowers you to turn your ideas into reality, effortlessly. And there you have it, folks. Making a video using Fliki is like unlocking a world of endless possibilities. Don't miss out on this incredible tool to level up your video game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep creating and keep shining.